Hello students, I'm Shashi Sharma back again from SS English Learning Center. Today I have come up with summary of the lesson Ivan Tries an O Level. This is for the students of class 12th. It is written by Colin Dexter. Now the writer talks about a kleptomaniac kind of a thief who keeps getting escaped from the prison every time. Now this where he was kept now. From the same jail he already escaped thrice. So the special check was kept on him and he was not allowed to meet with anyone. He was kept in a single room, small room, where he himself was staying. And Stephen and Jackson were appointed to keep an eye on him. And during that time he asked that he wants to learn German. And at that time the German tutor was provided to him. He taught him for 6 months, and now it was the time of his appearing for O-level exam. Now the governor gives the order, he gets the order from the court, and after that McLeary was appointed as an invigilator. So in the morning when he was getting ready for Ivan was getting ready for the exam. At that time everything was checked in his room. CCTV camera was kept there, and each and everything was checked over there so that he should not have any sharp weapon or anything. So after the shave, everything was taken out. Now he was wearing a bobble hat. So he said, the police officer said, you better take it out and give it to us. He says, no, it is my lucky charm, so I will not give it. It's just an hat, nothing else. But no one knew that he was hiding a razor under his hair. So anyway, after that McLeary approached the prison. So he was checked. He was also carrying a rubber tube, kind of a cushion kind of thing. So when he was asked why he is carrying, so he said he is suffering from a disease. So naturally he needs that for sitting, because he finds difficulty in sitting down. So at that time the Stephen and all, they were standing outside. Invigilator was very much there, and they were checking. So there was some mistake in the question paper. So someone came and that correction was to be done. So correction was done on the question paper, and after that he was giving exam. Now the police officers, they were keeping check through the camera, as well as personally, physically they were there. So once the paper was over, McLeary wanted to go. So when Stephen was taking him out, he felt that McLeary is looking little thin, as he was not thin when he came, because he was wearing coat and hat and everything, and he was looking little bit fat. Anyway, he did not check after that, and he was allowed to go. And when he came back, Stephen came back along with other police officer to the Ivan's chamber. They found that McLeary was actually lying in a pool of blood on the floor. So they got suspicious. They just asked him then he said no, he had wounded me, and then he has felt, he has ran, he wore my clothes and all. So when they were just they left him there and asked the other police officers to take him to the hospital for treatment. In the meanwhile, they went directly to the McLeary's house, who was actually appointed. So when they went there, they found him gagged with cloth on his mouth, and he was tied up with rope. So they asked him what had happened. He says no, someone came and he took everything from me and they gagged me, and instead of me they had gone there as invigilator, and he must be the friend of Ivan's. Now after that they again go back to the hospital to check that the culprit who got wounded, let us check. But by the time they reach there, he has also run away from there. He has run from there. So after that, then they thought now they have to do something. So they came back. When they checked the paper, they found some impression on the paper, because when there was a mistake in the exam, the person had written in German. Now they did know German, so they asked someone to check, and then that was the address of a person where Evans was asked to meet. Now they followed that address and they reached the hotel where Evans was staying at that particular moment. So they opened the door with the duplicate key, and then they saw that room was, no, he was not in the room and the lights were not on. So they thought that he might have gone somewhere nearby. So when he comes, they put on the light and they say, now you are again caught. Now no chance of escaping at all. So he does not say anything. He just laughs and comes down. When he comes down, he winked his eye after looking at the receptionist. And then all of them, the governor, the two police officers, and the driver, and he and Ivan was asked to sit in the jeep. Now the jeep was moving. On the way, governor said, you be careful. I have some work, so I will get down and I will join you later. So you take this Ivan and put him in prison again. Now, as soon as he gets down, they come back, they move further, and at a deserted place, they open the cuffs of Ivan, and Ivan makes a last laugh and he escapes again, because those police officers were his friends now. So this is the end of the story. Now there are many questions where you have to go read line by line so that you can understand for your reference to context. And now I take a leave. Thank you.